So this is a presentation of how I clean and disinfect my Kenmore washing machine with monthly services. These are the 4 products I'm using for my monthly cleaning and disinfecting services. As a friendly warning, do not mix a fresh, bleach, or Lysol laundry sanitizer in the same washing cycles. If you found this video informative or helpful, please show support for future demonstrations by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching.